Welcome to TFA Files TV. We are back again with the latest gossip nyaya dziri kupisa dziri kutendera pasocial media. Baba Juju vachinyomba maititi vachiti brand ambassador audi noise tunomira namadam boss kamuchachilo anotaurisa tumashi zvinyaya dziterai munzwe asi vanhu vati wakasviba kunge pasi page terai munzwe.
I'm not surprised that she's associated with brand Madam Boss. She's a woman who works very hard. When I was still with Metro Pitch and Brown Wholesalers 6 or so years ago, she used to come into the store, push her own trolley. Zokuti vanhu vanozvikakanyadza amuchizive pana mai Mutangazve and tokurespecta mai Mutangadura and respect yamaiwana muchipinda pasales floor paimotenga order dzenyu vanhu vaitozozoti ndo mai Mutangadura ava, you know. So it's something that I've been telling Oriana kuti humility yakakosha muupenyu. Humility yakaita sei, I tell her every day zvininipise Prophet Passion Java handina hate but ndovabvisira hate vakati bvuma kupusa hakunasa ndokutaura bvuma kupusa. Never ever think kuti wakangwara ukangwarisa uite mari. That's why we associated ourselves with the Madam Boss brand. Our business is growing steadily, not fast, but steadily. Why? Because we associated ourselves na brand ambassador asina noise. Mari haidi noise. Mari haidi noise. And I thank Mofu wakati usapindure. You understand? When she joined us as a brand ambassador last year, vanhu vakatozozvona vakudhumana musocial media. Tane 2 years, 2.5 now going in na Madam Boss. She has pushed our brand. Brand redu isusu patakatanga. Takagara pasi, patakazita. Shana mai Juju, ngatiriti bodo. Atiti. But ataka ne bodo. Ati bodo, and people laughed. Like the whole industry laughed. They wrote us off. Tikati no. Kati zvi align ne humility. Ngatiti bodo because it's original. Atiti kutaura zvokupenya kana zvokuita sei. Ngatiti bodo because it's homegrown. And the only person who supported us, I have to be honest with you, pavanhu vari kumusoro kumacelebs ndimai Miki. Shikati musachinje zita. Tikatadzai machats, screenshots ekudhara epafacebook vaitombochema siku vaimuka vachichema vatuka kutuka chaiko zvataurwa naMofu zviya. Social media is very toxic, but she's been very strong and supportive. My Miki, you're not only a brand ambassador to us now, you're part of the family. You're now part of the family. And I tell everyone out there who wants to push a brand. You know, my market as a Mofu as well, and I've been 21 years in the marketing industry at managerial level in Zimbabwe, South Africa, and Botswana. Ukada kutengesa project yako, tengesa na time. Why? Na noise. Tuke zvinyadzi. Atiti, don't change your brands. Never who want to market and sell their products. She's changed ourselves 2000-fold. I have to be honest with you, I'm not lying. We are making money because of her. We are making money, literally. My Miki, Nas, and this and passes. Tazara make Juju make Tazarang. Thank you so much, and keep growing with that.